Hey guys, I'm back at Harbor Freight checking out the deals they have going on for the super coupons they just released here in September, and the super coupons are going to be good until September 28th. I'm starting off here with the Fortress 1 gallon ultra quiet air compressor, normally priced at $159. It's rated for up to 135 psi, and it's a half horsepower, has one single port. With the super coupon you can save 20 bucks, so it's only $139. And if you need a larger compressor, they have this one. It's 175 psi, 10-gallon one. They have the super coupon where you can save 40 bucks off of the $290 price, so it's only $250. And if you're in need of an air compressor hose, they have this one. It's a 3/8 by 50 foot lay flat hose by Merlin. They say it's the most maneuverable. It is normally priced at $37. But with the super coupon, you're going to save 18%, so it's only going to be 30 bucks. And they have this Banks 18 gauge narrow crown stapler. It shoots up to 1.5 inch crown staples and as little as 5/8 inch. Normally priced at 40 bucks, but with the super coupon you're going to save 30%, so it's only $28. And they have a deal on the Road Shock LED. It's a 6-inch LED light, and it's your choice of a couple different ones. So they have one that's $18.99. You're going to save 24%. So it's only going to be $18.99. That's a pretty decent deal there. But one thing to know though is you're going to have a wire harness in order to run the lights off of a 12-volt system. It does take a special harness for it to connect, and then it has a switch that you can control the light by. That's a pretty good deal at 19 bucks for that. So with the 6-inch LED light, it has a thing of your choice, so you can either choose either a spotlight or floodlight with that price, only 19 bucks. Now they do have another option here with the Road Shock LED. It is a 3-inch one, floodlight, side light slash pair. Normally priced at 85 bucks for that set. It is rated at 2120 lumens. With the super coupon, it's only going to be 69 bucks, so it is saving 17% there. Not a bad deal. I do believe these are the qualifying lights as well. You can choose any of these lights if they're still running the deal. Of any of these lights you can get for free when you do purchase one of the two different Badland winches. And I still don't know when the end date for that deal is, but these are the different lights you can select that are free when you buy either the 9.5 or 12,000 pound winches. And you can choose up to a 52-inch spotlight. That's up to a value of $199 for free when you're buying one of those two winches. And they have a pretty good deal on this 12-ton bottle jack by Pittsburgh. It goes up to a total height of 18 inches and a minimum height of 9 inches. It's normally priced at $39.99, but with the super coupon you're going to save 25%, so it's only going to be 30 bucks. And they're also running a deal on this Viking 4-amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger slash maintainer. It's good for 6 or 12 volt batteries that are AGM, gel, deep cycle, and standard. So it would not be good for lithium batteries. It is normally priced at $39.99, but with the super coupon you're going to save 25%, so it's only going to be 30 bucks. And here's another battery maintainer by Viking. It's an onboard battery maintainer, 1.5 amp. That's also good for 6 and 12 volt batteries. Lead acid, standard, gel, marine, AGM, and deep cycle. So you can maintain the various batteries in these different types of vehicles. It also includes a mounting kit, so you can keep it on board. So they have this normally priced at 28 bucks, but with the super coupon you're going to be able to save 17%, so it's only 23. And they have this Hallmaster 3-inch by 30 foot recovery strap that's rated for up to 9,000 pound working load. It is normally priced at 25 bucks. But with the super coupon it's going to be $19, so you're going to save 24% off of that. And they're running a deal on the Bauer compact drain cleaning drum machine. It is 50 feet of steel cable, fits in small spaces, and it clears drain sizes of 2 inches and 4 inches. It also has a cutter set included as well. So they have this normally priced at $299, but with the super coupon you're going to save 40 bucks, so it's only going to be 260 bucks. And they have this Predator 200 watt foldable solar panel. It is a newer item they recently came out with, and they have a max power output of 1,000 watt hours per per day, and it's 18 1/4 pounds. It's normally priced at 230 bucks, but with the super coupon, it's gonna be 199, saving 30 bucks. And if you're in need of a diesel transfer pump, they have this one by Pittsburgh. It's a 12-volt diesel transfer pump. Transfer diesel or light oil up to 10 gallons per minute. Obviously connects to like a 12-volt battery for the pump. Comes with the hose and then the pump itself, or the nozzle. It is normally priced at 140 bucks. But with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save $40, so it's only 99 bucks. And they have this Quinn 1/4-inch drive sealed head ratchet. It is low profile, nice and compact. Normally priced at 19 bucks. With the super coupon, you're going to save 21%, so it's only going to be $15. And they have this Pittsburgh 3/8 drive teardrop composite ratchet. That's what it looks like, and they have this normally priced at 15 bucks. With the super coupon, you're going to save 21% as well, so it's only $11. The thing that's nice about this, it is a 72 tooth, 5-degree arc swing, and it has that comfort grip as well. And obviously don't forget that it also comes with that lifetime warranty. And here's a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh 8-inch self-adjusting wire strippers. Also has a built-in crimping tool in the handle. You can strip anything from 24 AWG all the way up to 10 AWG. And this also comes with a lifetime warranty. This is normally priced at 10 bucks. But with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save 20%, so it's only $7.99. And they have these Quinn SAE N metric, so it's your choice of the 12.3/8 drive sockets. It has nice laser etching into the sockets, and these are chrome. Normally priced at $13.99, but with the super coupon, you're going to save 35%, so it's only going to be 9 bucks. And they have a pretty good deal on this Vanguard 40-foot retractable extension cord reel. It is 14 gauge extension cord. It does have 3 outlets on the end. It's rated for medium duty use. Max watts is 1500 and the max voltage is 125. So it's normally priced at 85 bucks. But with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save 17%, so it's only 70 bucks. And if you need an extension cord reel, they have this one here that you can wrap up your own extension cord and keep it nice and organized. It's rated for up to 150 feet. It's normally priced at 10 bucks. But with the super coupon, you can save 20%, so it's only going to be $7.99. And they're also running a pretty good deal on the AA and AAA batteries of the Thunderbolt ones. Normally priced at $7.99. So you got your choice of the two. With the super coupon, you're going to save 37%, so it's going to be 5 bucks. And they have this Braun 6,000 lumen floodlight. It is waterproof and rechargeable spotlight. It also has a stand included, so you can prop it up. It says it ranges up to 1,600 feet, and it's waterproof, rated at IP67. Shatter resistant, and the runtime is up to 36 hours, 30 minutes. It does have 5 modes: high, medium, low, flash, and SOS. So that's normally priced at $49.99. But with the super coupon, you can save 20%, so 10 bucks off. It's going to be 40 bucks. And they are running a deal on the Predator 52cc earth auger. It is gas powered. It does come with a 6-inch auger bit, which it is interchangeable, so you can get larger ones or even smaller ones. This is normally priced at 225 bucks. But with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save $45 off of that, so it's going to be $180. And this is the auger I used to have years ago, and I've had bad luck with it. I couldn't get it started. Very cumbersome for some reason. It was very annoying to try to start it, take a half hour to try to start it and then dig one hole. So it ended up not being worth it. But maybe they've improved since then, because this was about like 6 years ago or so. But not a bad deal. At only $180 though for it. And they have this Predator gas-powered pressure washer. It's rated up to 2,650 psi, 2.4 gallons per minute. The engine is 196 cc engine, 5.5 horsepower. It has a separate soap tank. That's normally priced at $349, but with the super coupon, you're gonna be able to save 30 bucks off of that, so it's only gonna be $320. Now, here's a pretty cool tool if you have to cut some beams from like large timber or logs. You could turn your 7 1/4 inch circular saw into a beam cutter with this thing. It makes it like a little mini chainsaw, and it's can can cut up to 12-inch depth. It's normally priced at 80 bucks, but with a super coupon you can save 25% off, so it's only going to be $60. That's going to be pretty cool. So you can cut beams, posts, rafters, stairs, arches, panels, railroad ties, and logs. So it seems like a pretty cool tool there, especially if you already have a circular saw. And these are the brands of different circular saws that it does work with. So it's universal and most conventional worm drive and regular circular saws. And they have this Hercules 7-inch universal surface grinding dust shroud, so you'll be able to collect the dust from the large grinder. They do say it's OSHA compliant. Tool-free clamp for a quick adjustment. It's normally priced at 43 bucks, but with the super coupon you're going to save 18%, so it's only going to be 35 bucks. And they have this Hercules flap disc. It's 4.5 inch that goes onto the angle grinders. They have a variety of different grits, like 36, 60, 80, 120. So they are priced at $11.99, and it is your choice of the different grits there. So $11.99 is the original price. With the super coupons, it's only going to be 8 bucks. That's 33% off. And they have this Warrior brand 9-inch pruning reciprocating saw blades. It's pruning blades. So if you have some pruning to do of trees and branches or bushes, you could outfit your Sawzall with this blade and cut those items with it. It's normally priced at $8.99. But with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save 22%. So it's only going to be 7 bucks. And how about saving 27% on this rotary diamond cutting disc set with an 1/8 inch shank, 5 pieces, so you can cut anything from concrete, fiberglass, marble, masonry, stone, and wood. Normally priced at $5.49. But with the super coupon, you are going to save 27%, so it's only going to be 4 bucks. And if you're in need of a large creeper that can go off terrain, they have this one by Icon. It's rated for up to 400 pounds. It's a 43-inch professional creeper. It has nice, large 6-inch all-terrain caster wheels on them. It says it's easy clean vinyl, lumbar and neck support on it. Looks pretty rugged and heavy duty. It is normally priced at 140 bucks, but with a super coupon, you can save 30, so it's only $110. And they're running a pretty good deal on this Franklin 150-pound capacity foldable hand truck. It hauls up to 150 pounds. It has 7.25 inch smooth rolling wheels, cushion grip, toe plate, and wheels fold flat, so easy storage on that. It is normally priced at 35 bucks, but with the super coupon, it's going to be only $23. That's 34% off. That's an awesome deal. And here's another pretty good deal on this Gordon utility knife. It's quick and easy one-handed operation, folds closed for safety, and it locks open. It has a quick blade change mechanism. So just like other utility knives out there. It is normally priced at 7 bucks, but with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save 42% off, so it's only going to be $4. Here's another good deal on this Bauer 32-inch working height folding sawhorse. It is polypropylene. It is normally priced at 25 bucks, but with the super coupon, you are going to be able to save 20% off, so it's only going to be $20 for that. I think that's pretty cool about this is it is a clamping sawhorse, so it does include the Bauer clamp on it as well, and you could do different configurations with it of how you clamp items, because it has like these grooves for the clamp to go into, and it is rated at 1,000 pounds, but obviously this is only one sawhorse, so if you need 2, then pay up 2. And you can save 30% off on this Gordon 2.9 inch pocket knife. It is precision edge stainless steel blade. It also has a smooth ball bearing pivot joint, durable composite handle. It is normally priced at $10, so you're going to save 30% on that with the super coupon, so it's only going to be $7. And if you're going to be doing some painting in your future, they have this 9-piece set that has rollers and brush as well. This is everything that it includes right here, so you could pause the video and take a look. So it's a pretty good assortment of different rollers and then a brush and paint tray. It is normally priced at $13, but with a super coupon, you're going to be able to save 23% off of that, so it's only going to be $10. And they are running a deal on the US General 5-drawer mechanics cart. It is 30 inches. It does have a drawer liner, as well as a tool organizer on the side with the handle. It does come on caster wheels. It also is available in these different colors. It is normally priced at 280 bucks. With the super coupon, you're going to be able to save 50, so it's only going to be $230 right there. That's a good deal. The capacity is up to 700 pounds, and then it has 15,000 cubic inches of storage capacity. And they have this Yukon 60-inch 3-drawer wood workbench. Looks like it's pretty nice and solid. These are the specs on it right here. So it's 64 3/8 wide, and then it's 20 1/8 inch deep. It does include a woodworker's vise. That's a 7-inch vise capacity. So it's normally priced at 180 bucks. With the super coupon, you're going to save 30, so it's going to be 150. And they have this Yukon 9-drawer storage cabinet. It's 46-inch mobile one. It is on caster wheels. It does come in 4 different colors: black, red, blue, and white. And it is normally priced at 349 bucks. It has a weight capacity of 1,200 pounds. So they do have a deal where you're going to be able to save $50 on that. So it's only going to be $300 there. They do have this Central Machinery 1-inch by 30-inch belt sander. It is normally priced at 60 bucks. And it does have a 3rd horsepower motor, and the table can tilt up to 45 degrees. With the super coupon, you can save 25% off, so it's only going to be 45 bucks. Another coupon they have, which they don't have a display of the tool itself, is the 14-inch oscillating spindle sander for $129. That is also saving $30 there. I was mistaken, I didn't see it on display before, but this is the spindle sander right here. It's 14-inch. It's a 14-inch oscillating spindle sander. And they have this Doyle 6-inch cast iron vise. That's what it looks like here, and it is normally priced at $119, and it has a 7,700 pound clamping force and a 5-inch throat depth. You're gonna be able to save $20 with the super coupon, so it's only be $100. All right, so those are gonna be the top super coupons that I went through in this video. There's certainly more they're offering at this time around, but be sure to check out their website with the super coupons or their app and download them. You will need the coupon themselves in order to save the different amounts. So whether you download it by the app or online, take screenshots of them. Regardless, you need the coupon itself, and you don't need to be an ITC member for these coupons. And if you enjoy this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.